In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ichimoku Cloud Indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get the Ichimoku Cloud showing on your charts without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market or time frame you're looking at. The process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the window for the Indicators button. It's usually near the top toolbar, often labeled Indicators, or shown as a symbol that opens the Indicators and Strategies panel. Go ahead and click that to open the Indicators menu. When the Indicators panel opens, you'll see several tabs and categories. To keep things simple and organized, move over to the section labeled Technical, or a similar technical indicators category. This area is where TradingView groups most of the commonly used tools, including the Ichimoku Cloud, so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. Next, inside the same indicators panel, locate the search bar. It's usually at the top of the panel. Clicking there will let you type in the exact name of the indicator you want instead of browsing through long lists. This saves a lot of time, especially if you're frequently adding and removing indicators. Now, in that search bar, slowly type Ichimoku Cloud. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results in real time. You should see Ichimoku Cloud appear in the list of available indicators. Make sure you select the standard built-in Ichimoku Cloud that TradingView provides, rather than any custom community scripts unless you specifically want those. Click on it once, and it will automatically be added to your chart. You'll see the colorful cloud, lines, and signals appear right away. If your chart looks a bit busy, you can always adjust the colors, line thickness, or visibility by hovering over the indicator name in the chart legend and opening the settings. This won't change the steps you followed. It just helps tailor the look to your own preferences. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and want access to more advanced features and a smoother charting experience, use the link in my video description to sign up. That way you can follow along with all my future tutorials using the same tools and layouts.